Yeah, trust the process. What's up, YouTube? It's me, it's your girl. Um, you did not say my name in that whole thing, but it's on her. Hey. Okay. Y'all read the title. So I got this wig off Amazon. It did not come looking like this. I just bleached the knots and washed it. That's why I look a little crazy. Okay, so the look I'm going for is this right here. Inspired by this. And I feel like it's not going to turn out. But we're going to see. Let me show y'all the stuff I got. So, got this for the bleach. 40 volume developer. And then I got these two colors. So, I plan to mix them to get me like a bright green. We'll see if that works. So I'm gonna part out a section that I want to bleach, then come back. The back is still wet because I got lazy, and I'm only bleaching the front, so that's the only part that need to be dry. So yeah, but I'll be back after I part it, and then I'll come back and show y'all how much I'm going to bleach. But if y'all ready to see how this look turn out, keep watching. You know, most of my hairstyles turn out good, so yeah, trust the process. Remember that throughout this video. Trust the process. Hey, I'm doing this so y'all can see it. So don't mind my little ghetto mixing bowl, cause who's gonna pay $5 for a mixing bowl? Not me. Okay, I'm gonna come back when I finish this. Okay, so that's what it's looking like. Gotta make sure it don't get dry. It's starting to lift already, which is nice. But I'm gonna leave that on there for 30 minutes maybe. We'll see. But yeah, hopefully it gets light enough. I might have to do it a second time. If I do it a second time, I'll just let y'all know. I won't show y'all. Alright, be back. So this is the color I got right now. Definitely need to bleach it again if I'm gonna try to get that green color. But if it doesn't lift again, this is low key a kind of cute color, and I could work with this. I think that'll look good on my skin. But still aiming for the green. So, but definitely need this a lot lighter for that to work. So I'm gonna bleach it again, and I'll be back. This is the color I got. Still not as light as I wanted it to be, but I'm gonna try it. I could bleach it one more time and braid my hair, but I don't feel like waiting again. So we're gonna put the color on it. If it doesn't work, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Alright. So I have this lemon and this shamrock color. I'm gonna mix them together. Probably mostly this and a little bit of this to give me like a brighter green. I'll mix that. I'm gonna come back and then I'll show y'all how, and I'll put it on here. Okay, so I've mixed a little bit of the color. This is what it's looking like on my comb. 99% sure this is not gonna work, but I'm still gonna do it because I'm being lazy. Yep, yeah I am. If this doesn't work, then I'll probably just go buy some black hair dye and have a bob wig, you know, and rock that. But let's see. Oh, let me put my glove on. gonna be back when I get it all colored. I'm gonna show y'all before I let it sit. Okay. Pray for me in this 1 second that y'all got. Not even that this worked. Okay. So I finished it. It's looking kind of nasty, yucky. But I'm gonna let it sit there for a while. It's not gonna work. Alright, but I'm gonna let this sit here for like 30-40 minutes. And you know, I hope it does something. But yeah, I might add a little more like of the darker green on the bottom. And yeah, but alright, we're gonna be big. Hopefully this turned out cute. When I come back, I'm gonna be looking like ludicrous. So wait for it. I'll be back. Hey y'all, hey, I'm back. So this is the wig. This is what it's looking like. Okay, the front is giving what I wanted to give, and then the ends is kind of like faded, and I feel like it'll be fine. Put a little wave or curl or something in it, a little bump the ends or something. Dang, I look like ludicrous. I built like milk. That's not what he said. That's not. Okay, but anyways, I'm finna put it on. I'm finna do the wig, the ball cap method, but I'm gonna do that off camera and come back and just, yeah. But look, y'all, I dyed my lace green. I can't really tell, but it's green. So I'm gonna put some foundation on that. Hopefully that fix it and not mess it up too bad. But yeah. Okay, bye. I'll be back. So right now I'm just kind of cleaning any excess makeup I have off of my face with a little bit of alcohol. Okay, so let's pop this thing on. Okay. Ooh. Okay, this is not very tight for now. Okay. Okay, so see how this thing is too big for my head? I'm going to have to cut around my ear so it fits. So I'm going to do that on both sides because both sides is covering my ear. You see? So I'm gonna cut that off because I can't do that while I'm on camera. So I'm going to cut that off and then I'm going to come back. Okay, I'm back. As you can see my ears now. Wait, here it is. Okay, so now the scary part, the gluing process. Okay, so I usually do 2 layers. I'm using Ghost Bomb. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Oh, that was too low. I would suggest also try not to use your hands because the oils from your hands will mess up the bond between the lace and the glue. Now we wait. Period. Okay, see, it's almost there, so we just got this last little spot right here that needs to. This is how it's looking right now. I think I need a little touch up on like some of the areas, but for the most part, it looks good. I ain't even styled it yet. Alright. Well, it is now 11 o'clock p.m. So I'm gonna go to sleep and I'm gonna style it tomorrow. I'm feeling this. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Yeah, get into the ball. Get into the ball. Okay. For real. I'm gonna come back. What's up, y'all? Look at. I might come out the curl some more. I don't know yet. But this is the final look. Look adorable. I would say this is way better than I thought it was gonna be. For real. But this is her picture. So I was thinking about adding some more green like she got at the bottom. But yeah, I'ma see. That sounds like a lot of work. Yeah, but make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram because there's gonna be a couple different looks with this hair. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me some other ideas that y'all like. Y'all can DM me on Instagram and send them to me there or whatever. And y'all know y'all can always sub because y'all love me and I love y'all. But yeah. Okay. Love y'all.